Hello guys, welcome to Fish Farming TV. Today I'm going to show you how to inject a female catfish. Here we have a female catfish that we want to inject. I want to show you how to inject it. What we have here is weighing 4 kg and we are going to inject it with a hormone. The fish is 4 kg. We are going to inject it 2 ml hormone. So this is the female catfish. You can simply identify it with the circular genital papilla that it has, and you have to use a fish that is matured, that is up to a year plus 2 years or 3 years. This is the genital papilla of the female. It's always round. This is how to identify it. So we are going to be injecting this fish now, and it's weighing 4 kg. If you have a scale, you can scale your fish and multiply it. Each kg of fish is being injected with 0.5 ml of the hormone. So what we have here is a 4 kg. So we are going to inject it 2 ml of the hormone. This is the hormone. It's called Ovuline. They also have other ones that are like Ovaprene. So you have to watch carefully for the expiry date. Like the one I have here now, it will expire in 2022 08/14. So also check the inner bottle to know if it has expired. Go check it. It has not expired. It's also the same thing with what is written on the carton. So check it very well before you start injecting your fish. If not, you might kill your fish if you inject it with expired hormone. Look at this syringe. This syringe is a 5 ml syringe. Go to the pharmacy store to get it if you don't have it. So the fish is weighing 4 kg. I'm injecting it with a 2 ml. Look at it, is where the ml is written. So I'm measuring 2 ml to inject this 4 kg of fish. So no matter the size of your fish, just multiply it by, after scaling it, just multiply it with the number of hormone that you want to inject it. 1 kg is equal to 0.5 ml of this hormone. So I will show you how to inject. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by subscribing. Subscribe to our channel so that you get good updates coming from this channel. And if you want to learn how to hatch fish in fully, you can check up of this video. You will see where the next video on how to hatch a catfish in full. So how to inject now? There are wrong places that you don't need to inject. Like this way now is very wrong. Don't inject your fish like this, and also like this, don't inject them like this. You may kill them. Look at the right way to inject it. Just from the side, closer to the dorsal fin. This one is right, and also the other way, the other left side is also okay if you want to inject it. Whichever way is good. And also this place, you can inject here if you wish. This side is also correct if you want to inject. Please, you can just support us by subscribing to this channel. That is the only support you can give to us. Don't inject like this. Now we are going to inject this fish now. You can do it as I'm doing it now. After injecting this fish, you have to return the fish to the pond. Don't mix it with any other fish, only this fish alone in one pond. Just put some water that can cover the fish and leave it there alone. The reason is that when you join many fish together, after injecting, before the next morning, they might spout away all their eggs away, and you lose the eggs. So keep it alone so that it won't have any stress or fight during the night. So we are done with injecting this fish now. The next thing we'll have to do now is to return it to the pond. I repeat, only the fish on one pond. Leave it there till the next day. It usually take about 12 hours. Let me assume 12 hours to 15 hours. Let me assume you injected the fish around 6 o'clock in the evening. You can start the process of spawning around 7 o'clock. It's okay. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you can only support us by clicking on that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will get an update that is coming from this channel.